Are you tired of wasting time searching for help in Word? You know the feeling. You are stuck on something simple, and instead of getting an answer, you are clicking around aimlessly, hoping something works. It is frustrating, and it kills your momentum, but it does not have to be that way. In just a few clicks, you can go from being completely lost to having instant access to the exact help you need. So let me show you how. In this tutorial, I will walk you through 3 simple steps to access Word's built-in help feature and find answers fast. And I promise, once you see how this works, you will wonder why you ever bothered Googling for help in the first place. Alright, so let us start with the very first step. Look up at the very top of your Word window. You see that row of tabs like Home, Insert, and Design. Way over on the right side, there is a tab that says Help. That is your golden ticket. Go ahead and click on it. Now, a lot of people miss this because they are used to hunting for a question mark icon or trying to use the old F1 key. But this is the official starting point. When you click that Help tab, it opens up a whole new section of the ribbon. And here is the really important part. You are not just looking at a static menu. You are looking at a control center for getting unstuck. Now, with that Help tab selected up on the ribbon, you will see a big button in the center that also says Help. I know, it sounds a little redundant, but stick with me. Click that Help button again. This is what actually opens the Help pane on the right side of your screen. And this pane is where all the magic happens. It might take a moment to load depending on your internet connection, but once it pops up, you will see a welcome screen with some popular topics and a search bar. This is your new best friend. Instead of trying to remember keyboard shortcuts or digging through forums, you now have a direct line to Microsoft's official documentation. So now that the Help pane is open, let us put it to work. You will see a list of popular topics or maybe a search bar at the very top. But here is a really easy way to get started. In the middle of the pane, there are usually cards or links for different features. Maybe it says something like track changes or create a table of contents. Go ahead and click on any one of those. This is fantastic because Word is literally handing you the instruction manual for the exact feature you are curious about. It feels a little bit like magic, right? You are not guessing. You are clicking on a specific topic, and Word instantly serves you the right information. Once you click on a feature, the Help pane changes. It will show you a list of articles and sometimes even short videos. Spend a moment just browsing through these. Microsoft has put a lot of effort into making these guides clear and visual. You will see step-by-step instructions with screenshots, so you can follow along right there in your own document. This is where you go from someone who is frustrated to someone who feels in control. You are no longer wasting time. You are learning exactly what you need to learn. Now, let us say the featured articles do not quite cover your specific question. That is okay because the search bar at the top of the Help pane is incredibly powerful. Just type in a few words describing what you want to do. For example, you could type change margins or insert a watermark. Hit enter and Word will pull up a list of relevant results. And here is a professional tip from someone who uses this every day. Be specific. Instead of typing formatting, try typing how to double space my document. The more precise your search terms, the faster you get your answer. And there is one more trick I want to show you. Sometimes you are working inside a specific dialog box. Say you are in the page setup window or the font dialog. Look closely in the bottom or the corner of that window. You will often see a small question mark icon or a button that says Help. Clicking that will take you directly to a help article that explains exactly what every option in that window does. This is huge. You do not have to close the dialog box, search for help, and then try to remember what you saw. The help is brought directly to you. So there you have it. The next time you feel stuck in Word, do not waste your time guessing. Just click the Help tab, open the Help pane, and let Word teach you how to use itself. It is that simple, and it will save you so much time and frustration. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.